Hello again. We have many workshops and seminars to match your organization's goals. Our workshops are innovative, practical, and realistic. We can tailor our workshops to match any language level, from beginner English to advanced. In fact, many of our teachers can speak Chinese, but this is our little secret. We never let our students know that we can speak Chinese, but knowing Chinese really helps us relate and to connect to our students. We don't want them to know that we speak Chinese because as soon as they know that we can speak Chinese, they just want us to translate everything for them. But that's not the purpose. The purpose of workshops and seminars is to quickly get your organization to learn a skill and apply it immediately in their work. Our workshops are separated into 4 sets. The first set is the executive set. The executive set is aimed at managers and future leaders in your organization. We have conflict management, crisis management, critical thinking, decision-making, brainstorming, negotiation, and leadership workshops. We also have an entrepreneur set. This helps your staff be more proactive and future-thinking. We have entrepreneurship seminars, building client relationships, socializing and networking, business ethics, generations in the workplace, sales skills, and task management techniques. We also have a communication set. This set focuses on improving global communication and interdepartmental communication. We have breaking Chinese English habits, running a meeting, presentations, telephones and conference calls, report and business writing, and email writing. We also have a life skills set. This focuses on motivation and really getting your employees to think outside the box. We have a cocktail party and socializing seminar, hosting and public speaking, team building, introducing Taiwan to foreigners, travel English, asking and handling questions, and working abroad. We also have lots of customized workshops for you. In the past, we have done cooking, art, and acting classes. We have done competitions like basketball, darts, and bowling. If there's something we don't have, we'll do it for you. We have experience running these workshops in large and small scales, so we can do it with 5 people or 50 people. We can also do global seminars of 500 plus people, all hosted online or face-to-face.